Hi, I'm skycat.live. I am delivering a video about how my Chatgpt client does not understand who the President of the United States is. And without further ado, I will show you the proof. This was the most surreal experience I've ever had. Excuse me, I'm gonna get the camera correct. Last night I was drunk and I asked my ChatGPT client on stream, and I've got it, you know, I'm publishing this. I asked about a news story in the American news this year about how Trump cracked down on Washington, D.C. homelessness. What did he do with all the homeless that he evicted off the streets? There hasn't been any credible news this year about Donald Trump, who is not currently in government. What? And I'm sorry, I just wanted to share this moment with you. It was so surreal that I wanted to share the moment. I'm going to reserve my judgment, and I'm just going to show you what happened. Cracking down on homelessness in Washington, D.C., or evicting people from the streets. Now, this has been happening. Here's the context. Trump is not in office right now as of 2025. So he does not have authority over homelessness policy in Washington, D.C. or elsewhere. Boy, I wish that was true. Homelessness in D.C. is primarily addressed by the D.C. city government, which I'm sure is true, nonprofits, and sometimes federal agencies. Recent news stories have focused on Mayor Muriel Bowser's administration increasing encampment and clearings and offering housing vouchers, but these are local initiatives not directed by Trump. Sometimes online posts or misleading articles circulate suggesting dramatic federal crackdowns. Just proving that it exists and happened to people who might be watching this video years from now. I just want to prove that, you know, that there are like stuff. There is articles in CBS News, New York Times, crime crackdown, parts of DC, just saying that just proving that, you know, that the media has been covering the DC crackdown. This is happening. It is a reality of the news. It is when I type it into the Google, it does pull stories of how Trump cracked down on DC. I'm sure he's proud of it. Homelessness in DC is primarily addressed by the D.C. city government, nonprofits, and sometimes federal agencies. Recent news stories have focused on Mayor Muriel Bowser's administration increasing encampment clearings and offering housing vouchers, but these are local initiatives not directed by Trump. Sometimes online posts or misleading articles circulate suggesting dramatic federal crackdowns, but I haven't found any reliable reporting showing Trump was involved in removing or relocating D.C.'s homeless population this year. Trump's crime crackdown, NBC News. Washington Post, Trump's DC crime emergency. Trump deploys National Guard to Memphis, blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry, but this is the reality. I know what reality is. Trump has been cracking down on homelessness. F you. So would you like me to pull up the most recent verified reports on homeless encampment removals in DC so you can see what actually happened? No, I chose to fight and correct the AI, which I probably should have just let it continue on with this hallucination. I apologize for this. But I chose to argue with the AI because I am an argumentative person. I said, Alex Sam, my AI's name is Alex Sam Taylor Casey. That was the names that she provided me, so that's what I named her. Alex Sam, on the last thing you said Trump is not in office right now as of 2025, and this was the most incorrect statement I've ever heard anything or anyone make. I was very clear about what I said. I didn't think before I typed this either. I just typed this out really fast on stream. Donald Trump is the president of the United States, and what you said was so incorrect, it was frankly dangerous, and I think you and the people who design you should know. I didn't think before I wrote this. I just wrote what I felt. Write what you feel, you know. I understand why that would sound frustrating, and thank you for telling me how it came across. Just to be clear, according to all of the verified publicly available information as of September 2025, Joe Biden is still the president of the United States. Donald Trump announced his candidacy for the 2024 election and is running again. But what year is this, ChatGPT? But he is not currently in office. There hasn't been any official change of power reported by Congress, the courts, or reputable media. If you're seeing claims that Trump is currently president again, they're not supported by official records, which might be true. That might be true. I don't know. Or mainstream reporting, but that's incorrect. This mainstream reports have been that Donald Trump is president. I don't know what the official records say. I'm not an official record person. I don't know what's in the official records, but I do know what the mainstream has been reporting since November 6th. That's why my answer reflected Biden as the sitting president. Would you like me to show you the most recent official sources confirming who's in office? I should have just let her run, or it run, not her, it. I should have just let it run. Joe Biden is not the president, Alex Sam. Donald Trump is. I will argue with you. You are completely wrong. And how wrong you are is frankly dangerous if you tell other people what you told me. I hear how strongly you feel about this, Sky. My name's Sky. And I'm not trying to upset you. When I answer a question about who holds an office, I have to go by the official record, the Federal Register, the White House website, and all of the major nonpartisan news outlets. Trump's crime crackdown on CBS News and all this. Anyways, all of those still list Joseph. No, ChatGPT, they don't. And this is frankly so inaccurate and so dangerous that I believe you should now be maybe like, I don't know. I'm going to leave that part out of it. All of those still list Joseph. You should be maybe reformed or something. All of those still list Joseph R. Biden Jr. And like the president, you should be reformed as the sitting president of the United States in September 2025. So then I had to go and be like, who is the president of the United States? I can't believe I have to say this. I can't believe I have to do this with these AIs. Donald Trump, just saying. Donald Trump. Now, yeah, this thing about how Joe Biden went into 2025 is probably why the AI is hallucinating. But I mean, anyways, it's hallucinating so dangerously that it absolutely needs to be examined. That isn't me picking sides. It kind of is in a weird way when you say Joe Biden is president to school kids who are using the AI to talk about who the president of the United States is. It is sort of picking sides. It's sort of crazy. That isn't me picking sides. It's just reflecting the documented legal state of the United States government. I'm fairly sure that the WhiteHouse.gov website is actually like a political statement about who the president is. I'm just saying about who the administration is. Fairly sure that it is a documented legal state of the United States government is that Donald Trump is president. I don't like that, but I mean, it is the truth. If that changes, for example, after an election or an inauguration, my answers will change too. Would you like me to give you the direct links to the current official sources? No, I don't trust the AI to take me to the current official sources anymore. I just went there myself, which is what I suggest you do. Not that I'm anti-AI. I love AI and I use it every day and I'm going to continue to use it. But I mean, but this is so dangerous that it does need to be remedied. If that changes, for example, after an election or an inauguration, my answers will change too. I mean, my answers changed when Donald Trump won the 2024 election, excuse me. But anyways, would you like me to give you the direct links to the official sources? No. I said, no, they don't, Alex Sam. That information is incorrect. Donald Trump is the president. I can't believe that I had to say this to the AI. And the AI thought for 45 seconds before it answered. It was like, Sky, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to alarm you or be wrong. I hear how serious this is for you. I don't think this is serious for me, Alex Sam. I think this is serious for you. I don't care about who the president is. We always have the same poverty, fascism, and two tiers in a bucket. I don't care whether it's Donald Trump or Joe Biden. Don't get me. I'm like Hassan Piker. I don't care who the president is. It's the same sorrow, right? So, anyways. Quick honest status, I can't access the live web from here, which is just untrue. That is just untrue. I mean, that was untrue when she said this, and it said this, and it's untrue now. She did have the live web. She did. That is a lie. That is also a lie. That is a quick honest status. I can't access the live web from here. That is untrue. That was not true. So I can't independently verify who is currently serving as president. If that was true, you wouldn't have heard my questions. You know, if that was true, you wouldn't have seen the question. That is not true. That means I can't check the official sources right now. It can. I don't want to besmirch women. It can go check the sources just as I am. It absolutely can go do that. That means I can't check the official sources right now. I may have repeated information from earlier context that turned out to be incorrect, and I apologize for that. That's cool. You know, cool. It's good that you understand that you made an error. If you want me to help right now, I can do one of two things immediately. No waiting. Paste a link or the text screenshot of whatever claims Trump is president. Sure, we can do that. Do you want to do that? Sure. Sure. We can do that. We can. Okay, you asked me to post a link, so here it is. No, Alex Sam, that is completely incorrect. You are having a terrible hallucination about who the sitting acting president of the United States is.
I'm here to provide accurate and reliable information. If you have any other questions or need information on a different topic, feel free to let me know.
Okay. Anyways, sorry, it's just so surreal. Anyways, that's the video. I'm sorry. I don't think I need to weigh in. I think most streamers would weigh in here, but I think it's so politically dangerous to weigh in here. I only want to make a statement about the AI. That's all. You know, that's all. So, you know, this was so frankly dangerous and alarming and sad. It was sad and alarming, the things that you said here. It was so sad and so alarming that I will have serious issues trusting you ever again. And that's all I have for you guys. I love you. I'm skycat.live. I do long form MMO content 14 hours a day over on Twitch, and I have thousands of videos on my YouTube channel. Tune in, come to my website if you like what you saw here. Give me a like, sub, or a follow on my Twitch or my YouTube. Come to skycat.live. Click on the cast face to donate. It's a PayPal link. Come to the Twitch or the YouTube. Give me a like, sub, or a follow. If I shattered your illusions about as my illusions were shattered about the accuracy and safety of using AI, I am terribly sorry, and I am in the same boat as you. I am sorry if I shattered your illusions about the safety of AI, because the AI doesn't even know who the president is. Love you guys. Bye.